Hey, do you like chickens? How about chicken pot pie? How about chicken nuggets?
Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. Can't get on, can't get off. Chicken train, take the chickens away.
Hey everybody, welcome to day number 4 from the Urban Micro Farm. It's your old buddy Wyoming James here. So I got to show you something here. I'm gonna zoom in on this because I don't know. You see this little guy that's struggling right here? Now, there's been a couple of times when I've come to check on these birds, and do you see how that bird's just all like tipped over and his head's cranked around? Now what happens is, let me see if I can get in here. What happens is, easy. What happens is they get all weird like that until you just pick him up. If you pick him up and set him up right, he's fine. He goes on about his business. But there's been a couple times I've checked on these birds and they've been all, their heads all cranked around like that, and they're just stuck. They can't get up, and they struggle and the other birds come and peck at them. But if you, well, there was another one over there. But anyway, maybe, might be the same one. Yeah, he's back at it again there. So it could be that that bird's sick too. I don't know. We might separate him out of there and see what we can do. Let's see if we can flip him over again. Now, in the past, every time oh shoot. In the past, if you just pick them up, there you go. Dude, that is so weird. That is so weird. Why does it do that? Come here, buddy. Come here, little bird. So there he is, all tipped over here. But if we reset him, if we tip him right side up, he can go along about his business till he gets a drink, and that's it. Alright, so I cut off with you guys and that little bird, and I went in so that I could consult with the staff veterinarian. And just so you know, the staff veterinarian here at the Urban Micro Farm is Dr. Google. So I Googled up the symptoms that a bird was, its neck was cranked around and it was having trouble standing up. Turns out that is a thing called wry-neck, W-R-Y, wry-neck. Or stargazing neck or something like that is what they call it. So I figured out what that is. So wry neck, it's a thing that happens to birds, and it's essentially a vitamin deficiency, and it can come from the parents before they're even hatched. And what it does is it's a deficiency that makes them like not have all their equilibrium, and that it makes them not really balanced. So what happens is they'll take a drink or something, when they go to pick their head up, their head automatically turns, they lose their balance and fall over. That's all well and good. It says the cure for that is vitamin E and selenium. of which I don't know where I'm going to get either one of those, but I know they're available. So I'm waiting for Dr. Mandy to get home so we can figure out how we're going to administer that. But in the meantime, I came back out here to find our little wryneck bird, and I can't find it. It's like, it's in here, I'm sure, but I cannot find which bird it is. None of them are acting funny. I sat here and watched them for a while. None of them are acting real weird, so I don't know what to do. Now, we do have one little guy right here that is not, and this one is just tiny. He's super tiny, but he's a slow mover. We've been worried about him for a day or two now, and I don't know what to do about him. He's hanging out near the heat lamps. Here's the thing. Let me show you this. Just in comparison here, size difference between those two birds. Look at that. So this little guy, I don't know what to do exactly. So hopefully he can just get him some here. Let's put you over here. Then we can get him some. Maybe we can get him some feed and get him fixed up. They kind of want to pick on him. I don't know why, but so anyway, I can't seem to find our wryneck bird. So we're just going to depart for the evening. Everybody is doing well. We have not, knock on wood, haven't lost any more birds. So we're just going to probably top off these waters, give them a little bit of feed, tuck them in for the night, and we will we'll check back in on them again tomorrow morning. But I want to thank you guys for watching with me. I want to thank you guys for joining me. I encourage any kind of comments down below. Be happy to answer any questions you might have. So, Wyoming James checking out another day at the Urban Micro Farm. Adios.
Chicken train running all day, can't get on, can't get